guys, welcome to another episode of Quick Tips with Kamay. How many of you have attachments to your vacuum cleaner and you rarely use them? I started using this attachment, the one with the angle, to guess what? Clean my mattress. All you do is attach it to the tube, plug it in, and just go up and down motions, slowly but surely. Takes less than 5 minutes before you make up your bed. Guys, you'll be surprised how much bacteria accumulates over the years. Stay tuned for another episode of Quick Tips with Kamay. Stay safe and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Have a positive day. Cheers.